3-ish years ago, we moved into this 100-year-old home. This is what it looked like on move-in day. We spent $30 to spruce it up for our daughter's bedroom. I'll link that playlist above and below so you can get all the details. Unfortunately, we had some water damage and the wallpaper started crumbling and the plaster started cracking. We got a new roof and moved Selah's room to the room next door. Now we're all caught up. We have a blank slate to turn this space into a guest room and home gym. But here's the catch: we have no money to buy supplies and no time to do a huge DIY project with wallpaper removal and plaster patching. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make over this room on a $0 budget. That's right. We'll show you how to make the best of what you've got and how to source your home for the perfect pieces for your space. Think HGTV's Decorating Sense and their no-cost decorating segment from the early 2000s, my favorite. All right, let's do this. So as you can see, this wall is a mess. We did have some water damage, but since then we've gotten the roof replaced, so this has been dry and it's no longer an issue, but the wall is now ruined. So you can see the wallpaper is damaged, the adhesive is coming off, the plaster is crumbling. We have gaps where there used to be something filling it and it's crumbling as well. We have some huge cracking happening here. And then up here we have plaster that's about to fall down. So the deal is that this room is supposed to be a no-spend room. And so some things are just gonna have to be as good as it's gonna be. So I don't want to take all the wallpaper down because it's gonna uncover a lot of problems and holes that we just don't have the time, energy, capacity, or funds to fix the right way right now. So instead, we're just gonna clean up this room as best as we're able to get it to a more functional, safe state. So what does that mean? This means that we are going to try to wash just part of the wall here and kind of have a semi-clean edge here. It's gonna be bare plaster, it's probably gonna be stained, but at least it won't be crumbling every single day and making a mess on the floor. Started.
Oh, geez. How did it get in here and where did it come from?
As you can see, we moved the bed into place. Drop a comment below if you remember the video that this bed made its debut in. It's a queen size bed, and yes, it is a little tight in the space because the room is so long and narrow, but it will have to do. Next is my best tip ever for making over a space for free: clean. You can really transform a room with a good deep cleaning. Here, it's time to scrub the windows. I think the last time the windows and curtains were cleaned was when we moved in 3 years ago. I also cleaned the chandelier. We got this for free from a friend. Since then, some of the crystals have fallen off, so I replaced them as I cleaned the entire light fixture. I did some furniture shopping in my house. I swapped some items around and pulled some others out of storage. Here's another example of furniture in storage. This chair came from my grandma's apartment when she passed. It was a bit dusty, so I gave it a good vacuum. Nesting tables also came from my grandma's apartment. I sprayed them to match the room with an open can of spray paint. I also grabbed 3 milk glass lamps that I've been collecting on antiquing trips, and I was very happy to give them a permanent home. I also raided my storage area for artwork to hang on the walls and break up the busy wallpaper. I decided to hang my growing vintage botanical print collection. We also did a little mirror swapping. This one was originally in our bedroom. We replaced that one with one from my grandma's apartment. It also reflects the light from the windows and the chandelier and helps to make the room look a bit wider than it actually is.
Can you film that so that I can be vindicated?
It's level, but the wallpaper pattern is not. I use a mix of extra bedding to create some layers on the bed and provide some large blocks of solid color. This gives a visual break to the busy wallpaper. Now that the guest room portion is complete, we can focus on the home gym. I don't do much fitness, but I enjoy taking walks and going on light runs. We roll this treadmill provided by Yesoul right in. It's perfect because it's lightweight and easy for me to maneuver on my own. It also folds up, which is key because this room is very tight. It has Bluetooth speakers and screen mirroring with a large adjustable screen so I can listen to music or catch up on a show while I get movement in. The Yesoul app has other options with pre-made workouts or scenic views to cast on the screen. Check out the link below to get more information on this affordable, easy to use, and compact treadmill. Up a quick no-spend makeover. We now have a functional guest room and home gym thanks to Yesoul, which are both awesome. There are so many simple things you can do to spruce up your home for free. Do a deep cleaning, shop your home, rearrange furniture, use what's in storage, and most importantly, be content with what you have. Stay tuned, we have another room makeover headed your way soon, so make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. Bye!